Hello student, welcome back to the session. In the last session we were talking about k-maps and we also talked about the 2 variable and 3 variable k-maps, that is the general k-maps, how to draw this. Right, now let us talk about the 4 variable k-map. This is a general one. Okay, just explaining how to draw the k-map. As we said, you are going to draw the blocks. Now, how many boxes are you going to draw? You are talking about 4 variables. So 2 to the power of 4, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. What does this make? 16 boxes should be there. Now, how are you going to draw that? Okay, as I said, as I keep on telling you, I am not good in drawing. So if there is any problem with this drawing, please adjust. Okay, we are talking about the 4 variables. So there are how many cells are there? There are 16 cells. So let us see 0, 1, 3 and 2. If you remember, we had set 0, 0, right? 0 and 1, 1 and 1, 1 and 0, because only one variable has to change from one cell to the other cell. Here it is 0 and 0, so here it is 0 and 1. So 0 remains the same here and here also 0 here and 1. So one variable has changed. So in the next cell it is 0 changes to 1 and 1 remains as it is. So in the next cell 1 remains as it is and 1 changes to 0. So this is how you are supposed to write. But actually the rule we have is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1 and 1. So this is m of 0, this is m of 1 and m of 2 and m of 3. So 1 and 1 means, as we said, it is m of 3. So we have written here 3 and 1 of 0 is 2 is here. In the same way here also it is 0 and 0, 0 and 1, 1 and 1, 1 and 0. Okay, so we will be taking w, x, y, z, because you have 2 variables here, right, and 2 variables here, totally 4 variables we have. So w, x, y, z. So what does this make here? It is w bar x bar, because it is 0. So 0 has got a bar. Next, w bar and x, w and x, w and x bar, right? In the same way, in the vertical columns you have y bar, z bar, y bar and z, y and z, y and z bar. Okay, in the same way you have written here 0, 1, 2, 3, right? Here you will be writing 4, 5, 7 and 6. This is for your easier identification while giving the final expression, and also while reducing the expression, these values are useful. And again remember 4, 5, 6 and 7, but next it is, you are not going to mention here, but you are going to go for the next cell here. Okay, that is because 0, 1, 1, 0. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 10, 12, 13, 15 and 14. Okay, so this is how you are going to write the k-map for 4 variables. Now what are you going to write inside this? This will be w bar, x bar, y bar, z bar, this 2 and this 2. So w bar, x bar is for this whole column here. So w bar, x bar, w bar, x bar, w bar, x bar, and here this column has y bar and z here for this column. So y bar, z, this has y and z, this has y and z bar. In the same way, for the next row you have w bar x for the entire row, right? And for the columns it is y bar, z bar, y bar, z, y, z, y, z bar. In the same way, wx, y bar, z bar, wx, y bar, z, wx, y, z, wx, y, z bar. Next, wx bar, y bar, z bar, wx bar, y bar, z, wx bar yz, wx bar yz bar. Okay, this is how you are going to write. Now if you are going to use the what we say the variables or the use zeros and ones, so what shall we do here? For zeros and ones, if you are drawing, this is your w x y z 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. The many times you practice is you become perfect, so keep on drawing as many times as possible. 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0, w bar x bar, w bar x, w x, w x bar, y bar z bar, y bar z, y z, y z bar. So this is 0 1 2 3 4 5 7 6 8 9 11 12 10 12 13 15 and 14 here, right? Now what will you do now? Here, as we said, it is 0 0 0 0, this 0 and 0 0. We are talking in terms of zeros and ones. 0 0 1 0, 0 1 0 0, 0 1 0 1, 0 1 1 1, 0 1 1 0, 1 1 0 0, 1 1 0 1, 1 1 1 1, 1 1 1 0. Next 1 0 0 0, 1 0 0 1, 1 1 sorry 1 0 1 1, 1 0 1 0. Okay. In the same way, similarly, if you are expressing in terms of your shorthand version, you know the shorthand version, right? That is M. This is your W X Y Z 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0, Y bar Z bar, Y bar Z, Y Z, Y Z bar, right? And this is 0 0 0 1 1 0, sorry 1 1 and 1 0. So W bar X bar, W bar X, W X, W X bar, 0 1 3 2 4 5 7 6 8 9 11 10 12 13 15 and 14. So this will be M of 0, whatever you are going to give here. M of 1, M of 2, sorry 3, M of 2, M of 4, M of 5, M of 7, M of 6, M of 12, M of 13, M of 15, M of 14, M of 8, M of 9, M of 11 and M of 10. This is how you are going to represent. Keep in mind, this is very important while you are going to solve the expressions. Okay. So this is the way you are going to draw your general K-maps for 2 variables, 3 variables and 4 variable map. Now one other thing that you are supposed to remember here is using how you are going to, what are the rules that you are supposed to follow when simplification using the K-map. K-map rules for simplification of Boolean expressions. Okay, now whatever the K-map we are going to use is follow certain rules for the simplification by grouping together the adjacent cells containing ones. So you will be grouping together the adjacent cells containing ones. Okay, So one of the first rule is that groups may not include any cell containing a 0. As we said, we will be marking ones in a cell which you have a function for, which is mentioned according to the question. We'll understand now. Okay, now for example, you have the box here. Okay, we are talking about a 2 variable. So if this is x and this is y, this is 0 and 1, x bar and x, 0 and 1, y bar and y, right? So if you have in this way 1 and 0, we are grouping together the cells that contains ones. If it is zeros, you cannot group together. So if you are going to group together, then this is not valid. So what you have to, how you can group is, if you have it as x and y, 0 and 1, y bar and y, 0 and 1, x bar and x. If you have 0, 1 and 1 here, so 1 and these two ones are adjacent to one another, next to one another, then you'll put a box here. That is your grouping. This is the way you are supposed to do. You cannot group, or you cannot also go for this diagonal also is not valid. Okay, if you have got 1 over here, then you can do. So that is the second rule that you have. That is groups may be horizontal or vertical, but not diagonal. Okay, so as we said here, if you have got a box x and y, 0 and 1, y bar and y, 0 and 1, x bar and x. If you have 0, 1, 1, 0, then you cannot do this. Okay, diagonal is not allowed. Whereas if you have x and y, 0 and 1, 0 and 1, if you have 0, 1, 1, 1, then you can put together these two, or you can put together these two. This is valid. Okay, but it cannot be diagonal. That's the rule. Next, you have groups must contain 1, 2, 4 or 8 in a cell. Okay, that is if 2 to the power of n is 1 means group of 2 ones means 2 to the power of 1 is 2. If n is 2, it will be 2 to the power of 2, that is 4. Now for example, okay, x, y, z, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, right? You remember this. So 0 and 1. You have 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. As we said here, you can use two ones together, but you cannot put together all the threes. This is not done. That is, group of 3 is not allowed. If you want, you can have a group of 2s, as we said earlier. X and y, 0 and 1, 0 and 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. If you have this way, you can group this. This is okay, correct. And if you have 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, x, y, z. Okay, you cannot put together this. This is wrong. If you want, we can put together 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, x and y. You can put together this. This is right. 4 ones can be grouped together. So 4 ones, okay, 2 ones or 4 ones, or you can put together 8 ones. This is valid. But whereas 3 ones or 5 ones or 6 ones, this is not done. Okay, so this is how you are supposed to check group together. And another rule is that each cell containing a 1 must be in at least one group. That is, see here we have a 3 variable one, x, y, z, 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 and 1. If you have 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 0, then this is group of two ones, one group, one of the group. But whereas this one is there, we cannot leave it, so we can group it together. So we can put a group. Okay, these two will make one group and these two will make another group. Okay, this is the rule. At least one group should be there. Now let us continue in the next session.